Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Mobile fast. First, optimize your game settings for peak performance. Lower your graphics quality to gain smoother frame rates, which is crucial for quick reactions. Enable the always sprint option to maintain constant high speed. Adjust your HUD layout for comfortable and rapid access to all controls. Finally, increase your camera and aim down sight sensitivity to turn and target enemies much faster, giving you a significant edge in every firefight. Next, mastering movement is key to playing fast. Regularly use the slide mechanic to quickly navigate the map and evade incoming fire. Practice jump shotting and drop shotting to make yourself a harder target during engagements, allowing for swift eliminations. Learn the most efficient routes on each map to surprise opponents and secure advantageous positions. Always utilize cover effectively, minimizing your exposure while maintaining rapid map traversal. Choosing the right loadout significantly impacts your speed. Opt for lightweight weapons such as submachine guns or specific assault rifles that offer high mobility. Equip perks like Lightweight or Skulker to further boost your movement speed and agility. Utilize tactical equipment like flashbangs or smoke grenades for quick pushes or escapes. Prioritize weapon attachments that enhance your aim down sight speed and overall mobility, ensuring you are always ready for rapid combat. Finally, consistent practice and quick adaptation are essential. Dedicate time in the training ground to hone your aiming precision and movement fluidity. Review your gameplay to pinpoint areas where you can improve your reaction time and decision-making. Observe skilled players to discover new strategies and advanced techniques for faster play. Always be ready to adjust your approach based on the game mode and the opposing team's tactics, ensuring you stay one step ahead.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.